I'm going to show you how to use the HSTACK formula. Now HSTACK means horizontally stack, the same way that VStack meant vertically stacked, as we saw in a previous video. And I'm going to show you it with these three tables we've been given here for our sandwich company. And as you see, they've all got the same headings: product, cost, cost to make, and profit or loss. And our boss has asked us to combine all our sandwiches into one neat table. Now we can use the HSTACK formula to do that quickly for us. So I'm going to select my first table after typing in HSTACK and opening the bracket. Then hold Control and select your second table or array, and so you've selected all the ones you need to. Now once you're done, close it with a bracket and hit enter, and as you see, we have it all here. Now you might notice there's some formatting that doesn't look quite right. You can select that data that doesn't look quite right and apply the appropriate formatting. So in this case, it was the British pound, and as you see, it now looks more like it should do and as it did in the table above.